Cafe snack bar. Be sure to check out.
It's 8:50. Thank God. Pinayagan kami mag-early check-in. Wala na daw yung customer nila, nag-early check-out. So, upon entering, meron tayo dito yung mga utensils, kettle, mini sink, mini fridge para sa food and all. And then here is the bathroom. Clothing rack, safety kineme, another bed na pwedeng maging kama for 4 packs, if I'm not mistaken. And then, Emerjon. TV, aircon. This is the best part of Yara Homestay, guys. Yung garden nila, you can have your coffee here. And yung dipping pool. Medyo malayo lang to ng konti, guys, sa General Luna. Unlike before, kung saan kami nagstay, as in Calabas noon, General Luna talaga literal. Ang lapit namin sa mga sikat na restaurant. So guys, nag-rent pala kami ulit ng motor. As usual. Magkano nakuha natin? 300 per day. 300 per day yung...
From 350, naging 300 per day.
Pero how much yun dati?
250 lang alam ko.
Anyways, wala naman tayong choice kasi malayo to. Hindi talaga siya kayang i-walking distance. Guys, it's 9 AM. Gutom na kami. And then, we're planning to eat and then sleep. Kasi wala pa kaming tulog. So, yeah. Ito pala guys, yung entrance ni Yara Homestay. And then, ito yung parking nila for mga motor nila. And then, pasok ka lang doon, yung reception area. And then, ito yung na-rent naming motor. Open ko.
First ride of the day. Alright.
Surigao Corner Cafe.
Sunscreen pa. Sige. Ako din.
Diet daw siya. Hindi daw siya kakain kaninang lunch. Ngayon, sino nagyayang tumayo para kumain?
Oras na eh. Hindi ko naman sinabing...
Naghanap ko ng merienda. Hindi naman dinner to eh.
Hindi ko naman sinabing hindi ako kain. Kakain ako pero konti-konti.
Pick a movie. I'll pick you up. We'll go eat sushi. With our best friends we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs.
Na may lemon tea. Yeah.
Man mo.
Hi guys, it's day 2, Saturday 2:36, nasa bago kaming hotel.
Picture na kita. Umpisa na natin ang ating kalbaryo. Paghihirap ng mga lalaki, ng mga jowa.
Naghanap lang kami ng kainan and then we're gonna eat. Anong oras na pa? Pili ko dinner na yan. Ay, hindi.
3:43.
So yeah, I'll just update you later.
Kanina.
Hi guys! So we're here at Cloud9. Just chilling. Ay, hindi naman pala. Ang ganda oh. Ay, hindi nyo nakikita. Hello!
Nakikita yung video namin dyan, oh. Diba?
May kasal kasi dun sa ano eh, pinag-stayan namin ngayon. Sarap sana mag-pool dun. 5:30 na guys. Mamaya na tayo kakain yan, baby. Currently 8:40 and we're going out for dinner. Drinks I don't know because we're planning to go to North tomorrow. Kami dalawa lang ni Emmer, magmamotor kami. Sadly, wala pa yung friends namin. Supposedly, dapat nandito na sila sa Siargao pero nagkaroon ng cancellation and all. So, wala pa sila. Tomorrow pa land nila and for sure, super duper pagod sila pag dumating sila here. So, kami na lang ni Emmer muna.
Yan. Kita-kita naman tayo dyan, mga kaibigan. Check.
Bakit yan nakigaya kang brown? Alam ba yung t-shirt ko?
Sakto nga, sabi ko.
Ano sa sold out? Kanina lang. Nag-aano pala natin next. Sige kuya, wait lang po. Nanganin baboy.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Common Towns. Actually, meron sa Pampanga nito eh. Kaso, syempre, iba yung feeling ng nasa Siargao.
Thank you po. Sarap.
Nyaman niya.
AirPods ka na lang. Hi guys, good morning. We're going to the north. Try namin i-visit yung Dragon's Perch, Pacifico, Pasicot, Alegria. Lahat ng trending sa TikTok. Titingnan namin yung pamupuntahan namin. So kami dalawa lang.
Actually dapat Everest 2024 talaga yung maarkila namin. Kaso biglang nag-extend yung unang kliyente nila. Kaya ito, kami na lang, nag-adjust na lang kami. So, not bad. Vios 2024 ang nakuha namin. For only 2.5, 24 hours na yun.
So yeah guys, one day lang naman kami nag-rent ng sasakyan instead of mag-motor kami pa north. Kasi one day lang din naman namin planong mamasyal pa north. And then the rest, General Luna na. So kaya na yun ng motor-motor. So yeah, we'll just update you guys later.
We're here at Dragon's Restaurant.
Hindi naman po na magpupul kay ma'am. Napabandit po tayo na entrance ma'am. Yung entrance na ma'am, hindi siya kasama sa consumable ma'am. Okay. Yes, included for the kapang ano lang sa kanya. Kaya parang na-list yung kaya kailangan good per head.
You know.
Wow, this is so steep, bro.
Very nakakapagod. Yung mountain view na to. Anong mountain view to?
The Great Mountain View. Wait, una na ako.